Today is the last day of our Schools Out sale. We have great discounts, including this trailer, which is $3,000 off. If you want to know more, keep watching. Hi, I'm Peter from Campkins, and this is the Avenger 24 BHS, and we sell more of these than anyone else in the country. Let's take a look real quick, shall we? Now, first thing you're going to see about Avenger is there is lots of storage space. This is like the Grand Canyon. It goes right through, and it also goes up and under the bed. On this side, you're also going to see a great little outdoor kitchen. Everything that you need to keep yourself outside as much as possible, because you go camping to stay outside in the fresh air and not stay inside the trailer. Electric awning, LED lights, big grab handle, and also really solid steps, which is very important. As life goes on, you want to make sure that people with mobility issues have no problem getting into the trailer. A beautiful U dinette. This also drops to make a decent sized bed if you have people stay over. You're going to see right here that there's lots of storage space, because everybody goes, where's the space? The space is right here. A great pantry for you. You'll see that we do have double beds and a great size washer. Has everything you need, including the shower insert, and lots of space in here to change if need be. As we take a look at the kitchen, you're going to see that we have a nice big fridge. You've got all sorts of space for prep right here. You've got a 3-burner stove and drawers, 1, 2, 3, count them, that's very important, and space up above. And of course a microwave when you just don't feel like cooking. The entertainment center is right here. You put your television here. You've got storage space here, indoor, outdoor speakers, everything's on Bluetooth. And you'll also see this has pocket doors. So one door on either side. So there's lots of space here, and let's not underestimate how much space there is above, and there's cupboard space here, right? A lot of times this is just open, but these are closed off. Makes it easier when you're traveling. You've got the wardrobe, and you've got space on either side of the bed. This is one great trailer. It is the Avenger 24 BHS right here at Campkins. Help us make your RV dreams come true.